sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again for a look at weather. I wish I had better news for you, but it looks like this cooling trend or cooler air is going to hang around for a while. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Our photograph tonight, sent in by Russell Snyder, shows some songbirds in and around the area where he lives, and they're looking for spring also. Also looking for a handout too, it looks like. Again, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Here's what's going on at the airport right now. 30 degrees at 6 o'clock after a high of 34. The low last night, 18. Look at that record high, 74 in 2009. What a day that was. 13 for the record low in 1927. Sunrise and sunset works out to 16 hours and 52 minutes of daylight, and the barometer is rising. Here's our satellite picture, and again, we were showing that earlier in that story about the weather. You can see the flow once again coming right out of the northwest. Very unusual situation for this time of year, but as long as it continues to come from that direction, it's going to bring the cool air from the Arctic north, unfortunately, and no other systems to talk about. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, they're faring a little better than us. As you can see, the sunshine around Juneau. Also, partly cloudy skies around the Anchorage Bowl. Lots of clouds across the rest of the state, as you would expect with that flow. Some snow around Nome and cloudy skies at Barrow and Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather tonight. Quite a bit of weather going on, but not west of the Rockies. It looks pretty nice out there. 102 degrees in Phoenix, while elsewhere we can see thunderstorms scattered across the Central Plains, over the southeastern sections of the country, the Florida Peninsula, and over the Northeast. And on the satellite and radar, you can see some of those storms here, but the real big storm is the one that's coming in from the northwest. This one is expected to be a real big, powerful storm, bringing a lot of weather with it, including snowfall to Denver tomorrow night. Close to 6 inches of snow expected there. Cheyenne could get another foot of snow, and it's all being brought in by the jet stream. This jet stream is really strong, and when you get that big of a dip in the jet stream, you're going to have a lot of storminess, and that's exactly what's going to be happening across the Central Plains over the next few days or so. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. In the northern sections, partly cloudy at Barrow, cloudy skies in Nome, and some snow showers lingering around the Fort Yukon area. Here in the Fairbanks area and Healy, again, looking at snow scattered across the area with temperatures not too warm either this time of year. Over southeast Alaska, rain showers for Juneau, cloudy skies at Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, we're looking at partly cloudy at Bethel and Kodiak, cloudy in Cold Bay, and over the south central regions, it looks like rain and snow at Anchorage, snow showers for Homer and Valdez. It's a new week, which means it's time once again for our kids' weather. This week, we're going to be visiting with the kids from Chinook Charter School. Here's a young lady with a story for us.
When it rains during the winter, it usually means trouble. When it does, the temperature is not cold enough for it to snow, but not warm enough for the snow to melt. What happens is the night after it rains, the cold freezes the water to the roads. Basically, the highway becomes a sheer ice rink. I remember in 2010, there was a particularly bad day like this. My dad and I started driving in from North Pole, and as soon as we got on the bridge, we got stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic jam for about 2.5 hours.
And tomorrow night, another young lady will be here to share a picture with us. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Looking at 22 degrees, cloudy skies, scattered snow showers. Tomorrow, same as it was today, 37 degrees, and again, more snow showers in the forecast. Now, the outlook is looking a little more optimistic as we head in toward the weekend. By Sunday, we should be looking at temperatures nearing that 50-degree mark. Until then, we'll have off and on scattered snow showers and cooler temperatures scattered in there too. But the good news is, I think it's good news, is that we are trending toward warmer overnight lows. Look at that, 28 for the overnight low Saturday night into Sunday. And like I said, maybe we'll see 50 degrees by Monday.